Got in a fun mail, goandgear.com EDC club. Wow, beautiful little box with the pens, knives and gears over here, flashlights. Okay, looks like there's different subscription boxes, premium, standard, and there's letting you know how much it's worth total, all this stuff. Whoa, no way. Tech accessories, I have reviewed a lot of that stuff, and a lot of times in the subscriptions you'll get like the most newest stuff. This side here, like a glow bar keychain, this is good stuff. I'll show it to you in the dark. I'm gonna leave it by the light so it gets you know, illuminated, absorbs the lights. Ooh, never heard of that one. Phoenix T6 EDC pen with a flashlight. Wow, that is cool. So it has 80 lumen, 18 meter max beam distance, 100 mAh battery built-in. So that's nice. That is cool. I'll do full-on unboxing later. What else we have here? Best Tech Man, everyday life, everyday gear. Let's see what's about. Is it a knife? That's a really good looking subscription box, that's for sure. Wow, look at that knife. This is cool. Ooh, I like that logo. That's pretty much a screw. No, this is a logo. There's a screw. Ooh, that is very comfortable. High quality knives in here, that's for sure. And it's easy to pull it up with one finger, as you can see. I don't have to use both of them. So smooth, wow. Oh, let's see if I can flick it this way. Not so much, but it's amazing. Very smooth knife. Ooh, look at that Kershaw Dune. Oh wow, I didn't even know they have made one of those. So it's like, looks like a miniature dagger slash a throwing knife. That's what it seems to me. Very good stuff. Kershaw's is very reputable knife brand. There's a sticker, Go and Gear, and another one, Go and Gear Mountains. Beautiful. Oh, he fell out with screws over here. Okay, White River Knife and Tools. Wow, that's a good brand as well. So I'm gonna open it. Ooh, check this out. Look at that packaging. They definitely put some money to it, into packaging. That is cool. So instead of like a belt, they put a little stick in here, so that way it will hold nicely. Nice. And this is certificate of authenticity, model 1 Pro. There's an instructional. So this thing swivels. I guess I'll have to adjust it. Ooh, it's tight. Nice. It's a good looking knife. So a lot of this seems to be just like that's what the level will be, a little bit off this way. So the major hold is right here with this finger, and the other ones are just a support. Interesting. So very nice carving knife, cooking, whatever. I like it. Well balanced, I would say too. Right in the middle. And a really nice knife sheath, but very impressive box presentation as well. I love subscription boxes because there's up and coming knife makers like that. You get to introduce into this kind of knives without even looking for them. That's also nice. This one's probably my favorite in this whole box. So comfortable. Okay, let's see how much is the value of all of the knives and stuff. So $36 is for the pen. And usually for subscription box it's probably a better deal because it's a subscription box. White River Knife and Tool M1 Backpacker Pro is $150 for this one. Best Tech Man is $51. Wow, surprisingly. I wonder what material is this made from. So very good knives. Like I would use it every day. $51 is very affordable. Kershaw Dune $29. Awesome. Tech accessory, aluminum glow fob. That's what it called, $15. And this is how well it glows in the dark. Not even in the complete darkness, it glows so well. So if I'm looking for my keys in a dark room, they illuminate pretty good. So this is a June 2023 premium subscription box. And just too nice right here, paying it off, so we get almost $75–80 extra, like a discount by buying it in a subscription. That is awesome.